this morning. But we're back to the Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. You know why I teach you how to be your own boss by making passive income, starting new businesses, gig economy apps, independent contractor positions, anything to help you level up in life and get out the 9-to-5 rat race. We are about that. And today I got another driving position for you guys. One you don't need a box truck or a Sprinter van for. You can drive your own SUV, mid-size vehicle, or if you have a cargo van with extra seating, then this would be perfect for you. You see the title, to the thumbnail. Drive with Veyo. This is pretty much a medical courier company, but instead of you couriering around the medical supplies and prescription drugs and blood samples and organs and stuff of that nature, you're just hauling around people, specifically young or older people who need to get to their doctor's appointment, who may not be able to drive any longer or, transport themselves. So let's get into it. Drive with Veyo. You see, just come here. Here's the driver's section. Let's look at the providers. So join Veyo Provider Network, your partner in patient transportation. So, if you have your own transportation business, you can come with the fleet and start transporting people. If you are a doctor and you have a lot of elderly patients who need rides, you can kind of coordinate with Veyo and have like a standby person, a permanent person to coordinate with your patients, grow your business. We all about growing business, being your own boss right here. Partners you can trust, technology, so they use apps and everything to get around. Now, here's the areas that you guys are looking to work in. We got Arizona, California, Connecticut, Louisiana, Michigan, Texas, Virginia, Wisconsin. That's a wide area. Nothing in the Georgia area where I'm at. But like I said, they got stuff on the West Coast, Northeast, and the South, Midwest. So they kind of spread out in the headquarters in San Diego. So you probably got a lot of opportunities in the San Diego area. So here I was, like I said, Orange County, Texas, Wisconsin, Virginia, who was Veyo, non-emergency medical transportation broker, revolutionizing the way in Medicaid, Medicare Advantage members get to and from healthcare appointments. Flexible schedule, make a difference, receive perks. So you can make your own schedule. How do you get started? Apply online. Upload your documents, driver license, insurance, background check. Get credentialed. You do need to be CPR certified. So you have to pay for your CPR certification. I think I did that. It was like $25. And we got free CPR in the office. I'm not sure what the offices are. Let's see if we can see anything about pay. So here's how do I get paid. Our payment process electronic, paid out once a week, but I don't see any salaries. Need insurance. Can you do a two-door vehicle? No two-door vehicles. You need a smartphone? Yes, you do need a smartphone. All right, so I got to come to Indeed to find out the salary information. So average salary is $300 per week, according to Indeed. Delivery driver, $300 a year, $700 a week. So it looks like, most people getting paid about $700 a week, and that's full time, which is not a whole lot, but you just transporting people around in your own car, which you still got to take out fuel. So, but here's some reviews. You're your own boss. Do's and don'ts. Flexible hours. Pay is good. So I recommend it. I'm not in the area, so I can't take advantage of it. But if you are in those areas, remember, be